PJ Happenings.
Pleasant afternoon. Good morning, look at the followers of Facebook, friends from me, families, acquaintances. A very pleasant afternoon to you all. We make this video long clarifying the recent move to Rousey Mall table market for non-Bougainvilleans doing table markets in Bougainville towns like Pugarawa and Buin. Will I make it like clear, okay? Recently, Oliping Oklo move him sampla table markets lo Arawa. Someone secretly mixing one video na me post him long painting a bad picture that Bougainvilleans are bad people. Bougainvilleans are this and that. And the video went viral, okay? The video went viral. Some they insulted, some they disappointed, some they supported that all market line. Non-Bougainvilleans walking table market mas Rousey Mall. Arim, mila clarify bisla. Disla manik si video na salim post him ya. You need to Rousey this video, okay? You need to come out and talk sorry, okay? You have made Bougainvilleans look bad that we Bougainvilleans we hate non-Bougainvilleans. No. Bougainvilleans, we are peace-loving people. We love non-Bougainvilleans. Genuine non-Bougainvilleans. Just look around, okay? This is passing. I mean, new blood of Bougainvilleans, arim. It's a passing from table market, arim. Bougainvilleans. Crisis may come na be saving Mipla. No, God. Mipla. All Bougainvilleans. Mipla don't have feeling this the sense of a sense of freedom that we are living in our home. No God. No God. All people elders from Mipla. O sa story. O sem. Before. Lot good time. Or reskin. All non-Bougainvilleans. All bin sabi rule. Rule ya. Night all by Ronnie Mall. Time to school. All by pickpocket. All by magikain-kain long all. Opportunities. All by online na by push. Na pasi space floor Bougainvilleans or local Bougainvilleans ha. Emi no new plus something. Arim. Emi no new plus something. Crisis come na. Crisis come up now. Kita move out na. Withdraw. Na Bougainville stop free now. You know, just look around. Look around. How the Papua New Guinea, how the other centers, towns and cities is dominated with these table markets. The movement of other provinces, people from other provinces moving in with their attitude, with their kind of mentality. Only go na boom boom, group flooded in one place now. Only go dominate him. The other places. Look, what's happening? Bougainville, sino no pra something Mipla like Meki. We are on the process to independence. We are on the process to open the Pankuna mine. So we don't want this to repeat again. We don't want the non-Bougainvilleans. Lokam na, sit down the table market na, passing space na, taking over the opportunities that the locals should be benefiting from. Taking ownership of. We don't want that to happen. Bougainvilleans we went through. We know what we are doing. Okay? Mibra less long all non-Bougainvilleans lo come na sit down lo table market na passing space for local Bougainvilleans. We don't want. The non-Bougainvilleans to come and live here must come through a formal, genuine job. Okay? You man natin lo you stop na. You come no, make a table market. That's not the right place. Bougainville is not the right place for you. You need to go back. Go back to the place for you. Now walk a table place for you. Okay? Bougainville we don't want. People like clean up na ready. Okay? When Pankuna mine is open, Bougainville is free. We don't want these people. Only come na stop table market stop na Pankuna open. Then we sing out in the blanco blow come. Tambu blow come. Country blow come. You don't like this plano come up no Bougainville. So only come in, only pull up in Bougainville. Only come na pull up in Bougainville. Pass space. This is opportunity. Pass opportunity for locals. We don't want that to happen, okay? That is why we are moving. To move any table markets for non-Bougainvilleans, we are moving them out, okay? We don't want that to happen. We don't want this street to repeat again. Bougainville belongs to Bougainvilleans. Those local markets, the table markets belongs to Bougainvilleans, okay? This lang maskilya, okay? Thank you, Langari Blo-Ibla. Blessed afternoon.
PNG Happenings.